Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Xavax washing machine base cabinet. 60 to 60 centimeter, 40 centimeter height and 150 kilogram maximum load capacity, and this is good. That means you can attach or bring it up to 150 kilogram capacity. That's really cool. Sturdy base cabinet made of metal. This is an ideal as a washing machine elevator or as a dryer pedestal. So we can comfortably put away and take out our laundry at the ergonomic height of 40 centimeter. Easy on our back and for our back, without tedious bending down. With a support surface of 60 to 60 centimeter, the base is universally suitable for washing machines, dryers, freezers, air refrigerators, and other household appliances, weighing up to 150 kilogram. The special crossed struts makes the high-quality metal base particularly stable and resistant. At the same time, they reduce vibration. For example, when the washing machine is spinning, the underframe protects our machine from the backflow of the water from the drain, flood water up to 40 centimeters, and wetness on the ground, for example, from loose hoses. The floor under the washing machine or other household appliance can be cleaned quickly and easy without having to move the heavy appliance out of the way. The device itself comes in a white color. The dimensions, the division for it is in kitchen and household. The shade of the color is white, as I said. The material is metal, so it's heavy. The maximum load capacity is 150 kilogram. Device storage space length is 60 centimeters. Device storage space width is 60 centimeters. The height is 40 centimeters. The length is 60.6 centimeters and the width 60.6 centimeter total. And usage is focus on washing machines, of course. This cabinet is really cool, this machine-based cabinet, because it's strong. It brings our machine in a comfortable way, upper way, and it is easy to attach. Of course, you have a lot of screws and bolts to attach. These are really much bolts and screws, but it is good because after this, the washing machine base cabinet is so heavy and durable to use for you up to 150 kilogram. The place is really tight and you will bring your machine on the center there. This is the Xavax washing machine base cabinet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.